Before you start your project, make sure you write your name and code on the back of your paper with a pencil. Not a Sharpie, make sure you use a pencil. When you're ready, flip it over. On the bottom portion of your paper, you're gonna draw some wavy lines. I did about 4, but I didn't have like a set number in mind for how many to do. And then the top half of the paper, I'm gonna draw some straight or diagonal lines using my ruler. Again, I did not have a set number in mind when I did this part, but I did about 10, so maybe do about 8 to 10 sections. Now I did trace this in Sharpie, but you're actually just gonna skip that part and go right to painting after you draw this in pencil. The top part, or the straight lines, are gonna be colored with warm colors, so yellow, orange, pink, and red. I didn't end up using pink, but you certainly can if you want to. You don't have to use the same colors that I'm using or in the same order. Really, the only thing I want you to remember is that this part should just be warm colors. And if you accidentally go outside the lines, that's okay because we're gonna draw over them again anyway. For the next 2 sections, next to the yellow ones, I mixed some orange and yellow to make yellow orange. That is an option if you would like to mix some of the warm colors together. And then I just carefully painted the next section. When you're doing this, make sure you're also using a flat brush like I'm using. This will be a little bit easier to paint these kind of narrow sections, and it also just makes the paint look a lot nicer. It evens the paint out a little bit more. And then next I did just a regular orange. You can see that the colors are different. I like to have a variety of shades or values when I do something like this, so it looks a little more realistic and fun. And then the next one I did red orange, so I just mixed red and orange together, and then I did red, but I think pink would look really cool in this part as well. Then once that top half is finished, the bottom half is going to be just the cool colors, so purples, blues, and greens. I didn't use green for this part, but you certainly could use green if you would like to, or maybe mix blue and green together to get like a blue-green or a teal color. That would be really cool too. Once you are finished with this, you're going to set this on the drying rack.